Hello, I'm Arpita Sengupta. Welcome to the second learning session of Advanced Excel. Uh, Let us see what we will learn in this session. In this session, we will first learn about what the conditional formatting, meaning applying conditional formatting in a range of data. So in this worksheet, we will apply conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting basically? Conditional formatting is a kind of formatting which is applicable subject to certain conditions. Formatting based on certain conditions is conditional formatting. So what do we have under this conditional formatting option? First, I have selected the whole data range. Then we will go to conditional formatting answer. Where do we have this option? We will have to go to in our Excel worksheet file, we will have to go to the home tab. First, we will have to select the data. Then we will have to go to the home tab. From home tab, we will have to go to the styles ribbon. From there, we will go to this conditional formatting option. Here we have this category of options. Let us see. First option is this highlight cell rules. What are these options? Here we can highlight those cells. Highlight only those cells which have these conditions: greater than, less than, between, greater than a certain value, less than a certain value, between a certain value, equal to a certain value, a text that contains these characters, a date occurring between this to that, and duplicate values. Suppose in the item category, item name category, first I'm selecting all the cell references, cell ranges, which consist of the item names. Okay. Then I'm going to the home tab and from there conditional formatting, and I'm choosing this option highlight cell rules. From there, I'm selecting this option duplicate values. So it will, after selecting this, it will ask for what kind of formatting we need. Here, by default, it is taken as light red filled with dark red text. Okay, then click on OK. See, all these are duplicate values because every value has a duplicate value. Microwave is a duplicate value, air condition, the whole range is a set of duplicate values. Okay, let us see some other examples as well, like region or salesperson, whether there are any duplicate salesperson name or whether the same name is repeated or not. So we will select these cells again. We go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then duplicate values. See, all the salesperson name has been repeated as well. Okay, let us apply this same option in list price values. Select the range of cells, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then duplicate values. Every value has been repeated. That means we have 800 more than once, we have 30 more than once, we have 500 more than once. Every value is a duplicate one over here. But in the sales, here see, in the sales person category, we have some names which does not consist of the duplicate value formatting. That means this Damien Smith salesperson has occurred once only. He is not a duplicate value. This is an original single value. Okay. Apart from this, again one more salesperson, Tony Green, Alan Ivora. Like this, there are some values which are not duplicate. So which are not the values which have not been repeated more than once will not be marked as these along with this formatting. Okay. So this is how we mark the duplicate values in a range of cells. Now, how to remove this conditional formatting from these range of cells? In order to remove the conditional formatting, we'll have to select the range of cells again. Then we'll have to go to conditional formatting from home tab. Now, this is the option clear rules. From clear rules, we'll have to select this option clear rules from selected cells. So the conditional formatting rule will be clear from the selected cells. Okay. Next, what do we want to do? Suppose I want to see that what are the list prices which are more than, I want to highlight those list price values which are greater than 500. The condition is to condition is to format those list price values whose value is greater than 500. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to select the list price range of cells, then go to conditional formatting, then highlight cell rules. From there, greater than 500. Okay, here it has selected a value. I will select 500 or 600, greater than 600. Then click on OK. See, The values which are more than 6,000 have been highlighted with that pink fill color and red font color. We could have selected the other formatting as well. I have selected the default which was provided. Okay. Now again, in order to clear this formatting, we will select the range of cells, go to conditional formatting, go to clear rules option, and then clear rules from the selected cells. Okay. Next. Next option is what we will do. We will see other options as well. Let us select the this option, the actual price value lens. Okay, I selected the range of cells having the actual price list. Then go to conditional formatting. Then we have these options as well, top or bottom rules. This kind of formatting will be applicable only on the top ranked values or the bottom ranked values. Okay, either we can apply the condition to top 10 items, or suppose the question is highlight the top 10 valued items. So here we can select this option, top 10 items. Now here we can also increase the 10 number from 10 to more, or we can increase from 10 to 5. Any value. Okay, here the value, the top 10 can be increased from 10 or can be decreased from 10 as well. Now I will change this one, custom format. In order to change the format, we can go to custom format option. This format cells option will come from here. We can select the font bold, font color. Suppose I'm selecting as purple, and the fill color as light green. Okay, then click on OK. Top 10 values will be formatted with this formatting. Okay, done. Here we can find out by filter with color. After applying filter option, we can go to the filter option of this actual price column, and we can go to this option, filter by color, and we can choose this option where I have filtered the cell color as light green. Click on that. Here we will find these values. That means these are the top 10 values. Okay, what are the top 10 values? 990, 970, 1000, all ranging more than 900. These are the top 10 items. Okay, in this manner we can apply the top 10 value conditional formatting, top ranked values conditional formatting. Again, we will first remove this one. Click on clear rules and then clear rules from the selected cells. Okay, next we will apply data bars. What does this data bar option do? This option, what does it do? It fills the data range with a gradient. That means it will be filled with either a blue data bar or a green data bar or a solid fill. In the gradient fill, we have a shade of color. That the light color shade will be applied to lower values. The darker shade will be applied to greater values. Okay, so it will be filled with a gradient. So let us apply this one, the red data bar or the pink one. Let's apply the pink one. Okay, click on this. See, in 650, it comes to the more than average category. That is why it has this gradient. 644, 686, 480 is less than average or average. The 1000 values will be marked as the values which is more than 800. See, it has more gradient over here. The values which are more than 800 or 900 will have more. 860 has more gradient over here. So this is the gradient fill. Okay, we can remove, first let us remove this to see other options as well. Next we will go to color scales. Here we have color scales like yellow, red, two color scale, red, yellow, green. Here it is a green, white. These are the two colors: green, white, white, green, green, yellow. These are three color sets, scales. Suppose let us select this one: red, white, blue color. Apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value falls within the range. Okay. So they have selected a gradient of red, white, and green. Let us see what everything implies. Let us go to this option, filter by color. And let us see, we have this fill color options, the gray, the dark gray or similar to blue tone, a darker blue shade, a white shade, a pink orange shade. Let us select this one first. All the values which are more than 600 are marked with this color. Okay. Then again let us go to filter by color. Let us select this one. These are the values which are 54, less than, more than 50, less than 100 values. Okay. Again, filter by color, this one. So greater than 50, but less than 100. Let us select the white, the gray. This is the gray color, not white. Here, more than 100. Okay. So here we have these gradient scales, this colored data bar scale. So in order to remove this one, again, we will have to go to clear rules from selected cells. Next, we have icon sets. That means icons. We have symbols. We can have these symbols like green, yellow, like traffic lights, green, yellow, red. Okay, let us choose this one. Okay, they will apply a condition based on this. Now, this green, red, yellow set can be done by us. This condition can be selected. Every condition can be set by us as well. So first, let us clear this rule. Then let us go to conditional formatting and new rule option. Where new rule. From here, we will choose this option. Format all cells based on their values from the select a rule type. We have to select a rule type from here. Format all cells based on their values. From here, we will select this one. Format style as icon sets. Now we have this 3 icon style, or we can have other icon style as well. Let us select this one. Tick right sign. Right sign is applicable where the value is greater than, suppose, 500. Okay. Type. The type has to be number instead of percentage. Number, type, and value 500. Okay. Next, when less than 0, the next option will be when less than equal to 500 and greater than 200. Greater than equal to or greater than 200. That means more than 200 and up to 500. Then it will have this exclamation mark. Okay. But one thing we have to make sure that we have to change the type to number. Next, less than equal to, next will be when the value is less than equal to 200, this cross sign will be shown. Okay. So I have selected 3 icons, that is tick mark, exclamation and cross, right, and exclamation and cross, and we have set values as per according to our preference. Okay. And click on OK. See, wherever our value preference is greater than 200, it will be, but less than 500, it will have this, less than equal to 500, it will have this exclamation mark. And cross mark where it is less than 200. Okay. This is the kind of conditional formatting we can apply. Again, I will clear this rule from the selection. Now, from here, we can do one more option, that is, we can use a formula to format any other cell. Okay, suppose we want to format this cell, the actual price cell, subject to the condition that if the country is India. If the country is India, this actual price colors cells will have a different format set. Okay, let me explain the condition once more. We want to format those value cells under the actual price column which have the country name as India. Formatting will be applicable in only those actual price value cells where the country is India, subject to the condition that the country is India. Let us do this first. In order to apply the formatting, you have to select where the formatting will be applied. The formatting has to be applied on actual price value cells. So we'll select the actual price value cells. Then we will go to conditional formatting, and then from conditional formatting, we'll have to go to new rule. From new rule, we have to select this option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now here in this section, format values, we have typed down the formula. That is, it starts with equal to if, bracket open, equal to if. We have to select the country name first. Okay, here. If the country cell, okay, the country cell cannot be fixed. If you fix the cell, the reference will not change. So here only relative cell reference has to work. So we'll change the reference to relative cell reference if D3 equal to within double inverted comma India. Then formatting will be applicable. For formatting to be applicable, we have to give comma and choose 1 as the value. If we want to apply formatting, it will be 1. If we do not want to apply formatting where country is not India, then it will be 0. When 1 means formatting will be applicable if the country is equal to India, and it will be 0 if the country is not equal to India. Then bracket close. After putting this condition down, we will go to this format option. From the format option, we will choose the formatting preferences as per our own choice. Light, I'm selecting this, the light blue shade, and font color as bold italic, and font style as bold italic, and font color as maroon. Okay, then okay. Then again we have to click on OK. See, the conditional formatting has been applied. But how will we see that only conditional formatting has been applicable on India? How to see that? Again, we have to go to actual price filter list, go over there, then filtering criteria, then go to filter by color, then choose this, either this fill color or the font color. Choose this fill color. See, all these values belongs to the country India. See, country India. If we filter over here, we will find only one country, that is India. So in this manner, we can apply a format, a condition, a formula to format other cells as well. Okay. So this is a very important option of conditional formatting. We can apply this kind of conditional formatting in other cases as well. Okay. Now, after seeing conditional formatting, our next topic will be subtotal. Okay, so now let us first remove the conditional formatting from this data set. Okay. Now, after doing conditional formatting, the next topic what we will see is subtotal. What is subtotal now? Subtotal means to calculate the total of any value cell subject to a condition, subject to a criteria, not sum if. This is subtotal, total subject to a total of a condition, subject to a total of a value cell, subject to a condition. Okay. Now I want to calculate item-wise subtotal. Item-wise subtotal. So what do we have to do first? In order to calculate subtotal, first we have to see what is the criteria. The criteria is the item name. That means here we want to calculate item-wise total, subtotal of the actual price. So what do we have to do? First, we have to sort out. We have to sort the entire data based on the item name column. Okay. First, let us sort the data. We will select the whole data. Then we will have to go to the data tab. Okay. Go to data tab. We will have to go to the data tab. From data tab, we will have to go to the sort option. From sort option, we'll have to select from this sort by column, we have to select the item column and order A to Z. That means all the similar alphabets will be placed in the same manner. Order A to Z. So order can be either A to Z or Z to A. A to Z means ascending order, Z to A means descending order. Let us select ascending order from the list and click on OK. So the whole data has been arranged based on the item names, such as air conditioner has come first. Then after air conditioner, the other products will come. Blender, Then after blender, as because I have sorted the data as per alphabetical order, the order has taken from A to Z. Then ceiling fan, then coffee grinder, and so on. Now, after doing this sorting, we will apply subtotal. So, how to apply subtotal? We will select the whole data. After selecting the whole data, we will have to go to data tab. From data tab, we will have to go to the subtotal option. This is the subtotal option. Let us go to the subtotal option. From the after clicking the subtotal option, this dialog box will come, subtotal. First, we will have to select the column name in this section at each change in. In at each change in, we have to select the column item. Use function will be sum, as because we want to calculate sum total, my total of the actual price of the different items. Now add subtotal to, where the subtotal has to be added. The subtotal has to be added to the actual price column. Also, one more thing, the subtotal field can be added to not only one value field, it can be added to more than one value field. There is no restriction. But subtotal has to be is applicable. It is formula. It is based on value. It is applicable on value fields only. Okay. So let us select list price and actual price as the value field whose subtotal is to be calculated. After that, we will have to click on this OK button. Subtotal will be applicable. So how to find the subtotal option? Here, see, after all the air conditioner names, air conditioner total of the list price and actual price has come. After air conditioner, blender total. After blender, ceiling fan total. After ceiling fan total, coffee grinder total. Here you see, when you go to the cell of the value of total values, here we find the subtotal function has been applied. After clicking on the subtotal option, the subtotal has been calculated based on the subtotal formula. Okay. Only what we have to do, we have to sort the data and then set the criteria field whose subtotal is to be calculated. Dishwasher total, iron total, microwave total, oven total, refrigerator total, toaster total. Every total subtotal has to come under the total, under the particular item name. Okay. So in this manner, we can calculate subtotal. Now, while we are calculating subtotal, one more thing, that we have this minimize maximize button as well. This minus button. If you click on this minus button, it will be minimized. See, let us minimize this to see what happens. Okay, let us minimize all the categories here, as because we have many item names. So it will be, we have many subtotal criteria, right? So we are clicking on the minimize button of all the items of the subtotals. Toaster total, we have washing machine and those products as well. Vacuum cleaner, then washing machine. See, now what are the products we have? We can now view only the product wise, item wise subtotal. That is air conditioner total, blender total, ceiling fan total, coffee grinder total. Okay. And at the bottom, at the top, bottom level, we have the grand total. That means the total of all the products. Okay. Here also subtotal formula has been applied. Okay, now to maximize, then we have to click on the plus symbol button one by one. Okay, in this manner, we have to calculate subtotal. Okay, we can calculate subtotal. In order to remove subtotal, we have to select the whole data. First, we have to maximize this first. As because we have minimized them first, we have to need to maximize them first. Let us maximize the values, subtotals which we have minimized. The product wise totals, we'll have to open them first. We have 4 more products left. The oven total and the refrigerator total and the toaster total is left. Okay. So after maximizing the item wise total, after seeing the subtotal, viewing the if the subtotal purpose is not required, if the subtotal this manner order is not required anymore, we can remove the subtotal by the following option. What do we have to do? Again, we have to select the whole table, whole data. Select the whole data first. Okay. Then go to data tab. Then go to subtotal again. And the option to remove the subtotal is this one, remove all. Click on remove all. Subtotal will be removed. Okay. In this manner, subtotal will be removed. Okay. Our next option after subtotal in this session is applying data validation. Okay, this one, this option, applying data validation. What is data validation? Data validation means applying a list of rules to a range of cells where we can restrict the type of data which will be entered in that range of cells. Suppose we have a range of cells where we do not want any value more than 50, value more than 50 to be entered. Okay, suppose we have, let me go to a new worksheet. We have a criteria as age. Here we do not want, under this range, suppose under this total age range, we do not want any value to be entered which is more than 50. You want to restrict the data entry, the entry of value in these cells to less than equal to 50. Greater than 50 is not allowed. So how to validate this range of cells? What do we have to do? We have to select the range of cells. Then we have to apply data validation. We can validate this range. We can guarantee, we can apply validation to guarantee that here in this range of cells, no value which is greater than 50 will be allowed. Okay, can be typed. Nobody, some person makes a mistake also, by mistake cannot type any value which is greater than 50. So how to do that? We will select the range of cells where data validation has to apply. Here I have selected the whole range. Then we will have to go to the data tab. Then we will have to go to this option, data validation. Okay. From this data validation tab, we have 3 tabs, or data validation dialog box. We have 3 tabs: settings, input message, error alert. First, we will go to settings. Under the settings, normally when all the values are allowed, any value option is applicable. So from any value, I will select from the allowed list, I will select whole number. Whole number greater than or less than equal to 50 is allowed. Allow whole number which is less than equal to 50. So if any value which is greater than 50 will not be allowed over here. After selecting this validation criteria, we will have to go to the error alert option to select the type of action. What kind of action do we need? Do we want to stop being entered, or do you want to just give warning, or do you want to give us just a mere information? So this action, there are 3 types of actions. You have to select these actions from the style option. Style. From the style option, we'll have to go to the dialog drop down list. From there, stop. If you select stop, the entry will be totally barred. Okay. Here I will type down the error message: no value greater than 50. No value greater than 50. Then click on OK. Done. Now, how will we see that if whether any value is allowed or not? I will just type down a value 51 and press enter. See, after pressing enter, this error message will come up. Microsoft Excel cross symbol, no value greater than 50. Retry, cancel, help. Retry, it will be selected. Again enter. This message will come. If you click on cancel, the 51 value will be cancelled. So this is the action stop. What does the other actions do? Let us see again. Again, we will select that range of cells, go to data validation, go to the style, warning. Let the message be same. In case of warning, this symbol will come. Okay. And click on OK. Now I'm typing a value 100. No value greater than 50. Continue. It has given a warning symbol. Continue, yes, no, cancel. Okay. This is just a warning symbol, but in this case, we can continue. If I click on yes, It will let us continue. It will let us type the value. Now let us see what does this warning option do. Information option do. Go to data validation, select the information, then OK. Let me type a value 65. See, here it will just give an I symbol for information, no value greater than 50. OK, cancel help. If I click on cancel, it will be cancelled. Again, if I click on OK, it will let us continue. Okay. So this is how we apply data validation in a range of cells. Okay. Now, in order to clear that validation, what we have to do, we have to select the range of cells again, and then go to data validation, then go to the settings option, and then select allow any value, and then click on OK. Okay. This is how we reset the data validation option. Now, through data validation, we can create custom lists as well, drop down list of any values as well. Suppose in this sheet, we need to create city names. Okay. Here we need to create city names in this range of cells. So the city names are typed in a range in a different worksheet. Suppose here we have the list of city names. In this sheet 6, we have list of city names. What are the city names we need? Suppose we need Kolkata, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Pune. We need these 5 city names in these range of cells. City name drop down list in this range. So what do we need to do? First, I have typed the range of cells, range of city names in this range of cells. Okay. Then we have to select the range where we want the drop down list to appear. We will select this range of cells. Then we will go to data validation. Okay. From there, from the validation criteria option, from the allow tab, we will select list. What we will select? We will select list. After that, in the source section, we'll click over the source section. And after clicking over there, we will go to sheet 6 and select those range of cells which consist of the city names. I've selected those range of cells. See, it has been taken B3 is to B8. Then click on OK. Okay. Now see, whenever I'm clicking on these cells, a drop down arrow has come up. Now click on this drop down arrow. Here we will find the city names: Kolkata, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Pune. Suppose I'm clicking on Bangalore. Bangalore will come. Here the city name is Kolkata. Kolkata will come. Here the city name is Chennai. Chennai will come. Here the city name is Pune. Pune will come. In this manner, we can create drop down list also with the help of the data validation option. Okay. So our advanced Excel basics class, our sessions are up to this. In future, we will also share, I will also share other sessions as well. I will expect all of you to practice this data set and comment in the comment section, so that if there are any queries, I can address the queries. Thank you.